Hi guys, PJ here. Today I'm working on a Nissan Navara pickup and I'm going to show you how to remove the factory fitted stereo. Really quick, really easy on this vehicle, but a lot of people do get it wrong, as you can see. Now the best way to remove it is with a trim leverage tool, so something like this. You can buy these from eBay, Amazon, that type of place. What you're going to do is start basically down here in the corner and pop. Hear it click, across through the corner. Click. I'm going to move to the top up here, do the same again, click. There you go. Basically this whole thing now lifts forward. You've got to be careful, there is some cables there for your heater, so don't pull on them, you don't want to snap anything, but the whole thing lifts away like so. I'm just going to quickly disconnect the wires. They're on little clips, look, that you push in and spin the little lever around and pull them off. With the trim moved out of the way and the plugs removed, there you go, there's the plugs. Like I say, you push down a little pin here and this sort of spins around and rotates to remove these two. So it's normally in the up position. You push the pin in and then you rotate it round and the plug comes out. There's another one here, hazard warning light, pinch and pull. Now we have 4 Phillips screws, one at the top, 2, 3 and one there on this side. 4. Now is a good time to press eject, see if you've got any disc in your stereo, because if you have, it's going to be in there for a while, guys. Okay, so we're going to remove these screws and pull the whole unit forward. You might want to cover up your trim below because this is steel, and if you lead it down it could actually scratch your trim. So let's get these screws out. Okay, with all screws removed, we can now grab the unit and pull, and there's your connectors on the back, and basically you pinch those and pull, and there's an aerial as well there, so we'll just leave that like so. And I'll show you the adapters for this. Here are the 3 possibilities for this vehicle. These are made by Connect 2, and we have a CT20 NS05, a CT20 NS03, CT20 NS02. This particular one is this one, the CT20 NS05. And basically, if I can get focus, I don't know why I can't seem to focus very well on these white plugs, very strange, but basically we slide these on and click, and basically that gives you a connector that works on pretty much all aftermarket radios. The original brackets that are on the side of the original radio, so these big metal things there with the bolts that hold them on, yeah, you got star bolts there, you got TX25s looking at it. You got to take them off and put them on your new radio, guys. You're going to need them. And that's it. That's how you remove the radio from Nissan Navara. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.